there's even room to spare. Can I close the gate? Okay. Oh my gosh. Let me pick you up and show you how well this fits. Look at that. And there's even room to spare up there by the seat. So I am going to be able to attach it to, there's, I don't know if you can see there, that silver hook right there. I will be able to bungee this to that so that it doesn't slide around in movement. But now I need to figure out, I mean, it's pretty comfortable without a mattress on it. I just don't know if I'd want to sleep on it without a mattress. Are you in there? Okay. Oh my gosh, this is perfect. And the way the eCamper works here is that there's now a couple, like I want to say there's an additional 5 inches of headspace because the moonroof is out, and this is the way that I go up to get into the eCamper. But oh my gosh, this could be like a perfect little couch. I think this width of 25 inches is going to be perfect as well. I have a place to like sit like this, so maybe I would have like a cabinet over here with a desk so that I could do editing, some cushions behind me, make it a real cozy vibe. So, oh my God, Tomshoo made this cot, sent it to me to review for you, and it is it's super durable. Like, I don't think I'm going to need a cushion on it. It's kind of like sleeping in a stiff hammock. Okay, so that's the first part of the no build. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is fun. I'm building a fort today. I think I'll put my yoga mat down over the cot. I don't know, maybe it'll give it a bit of padding, make it more comfortable. It's not like it's uncomfortable, but I haven't slept on it a whole night yet. And Keyser sent me 2 sleeping bags, so I'm definitely going to use those as blankets inside. So I'm just going to put this inside now and put the sleeping bag in. It'll be nice too to have my yoga mat with me so that I can pop it out and do some stretches. It'll also add a bit of insulation underneath my body on the bed so that that I don't get cold. And then pretty easy to make my bed. This sleeping bag, I've been using this in the tiny house just to check it out. It's super snugly warm. Okay,